Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can download Instagram Reels in our iPhone. So the process is going to be very simple. This process is just going to take you only 1 minute, so please stay tuned and proceed with this video. So first of all, just open the Instagram and just search an application which is known as Black Hole Splitter. You have to search for this app, and the app icon will look like something this one, and the size of this app is less than 20 MB. So make sure you download this app. Now open the Instagram, and let's assume I would like to download this reel here. So let me show you in my photos app that there is no this type of any reel here. So you guys can see here, these are the only reels. So I'm just going to download this reel. So in order to download, just simply click on share button and click on copy link, and that's it. Now just open this application, and now just tap on this black button and click on allow paste, and this is the only thing you need to do. Now at least wait for 5 seconds. This app will show the ad here. You just need to cut this ad and your reel will be downloaded into your photos app. So you guys can see here's the button showing here. Click on this one, and now this reel is downloaded in my photos app. There you go. So this is the very simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Please, if you like this video, please do like and try subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.